Hi friends, in today's video we will introduce a remote control and a receiver for home automation. This is a 4-channel remote control switch. It has 4 keys A, B, C, D and 4 relays. This remote control that supports up to 120 watts in each channel, and it works in 6 to 30 volts and uses RF frequency of 433.92 megahertz. I have connected a 100-watt bulb to test the remote. It has 3 switching modes. Those are momentary mode, toggle mode and latching mode. In momentary mode, the load will be on only when you press the switch A, B, C, D, and if you release the hand from the switch, the load will be off. In toggle mode, the load will be on only when you press the desired switch, for example A or B, and when you press the same switch again, the load will be off. In latching mode, the load will be on only when you press the switch A or B, and if you press, for example, A, you have to use the button B to turn off the load. And there is a learning button to set this procedure or this modes, and when you press the button once, it will be set to toggle mode, and if you press the button twice, it will set to toggle mode, and thrice will be set to latching mode. If you want to reset the remote, you have to press the button 8 times. Okay, let's set the remote. So I am pressing the button once, and you can see the LEDs turn on. So when I press the switch A, it will set to momentary mode. Now let's press the switch A to turn on the load, and when I release the finger, it turned off. Okay, this is the momentary mode. Okay, now let's reset the remote. I am pressing the button 8 times. Now you can see the LED is blinking and it's done. Now I am pressing the switch twice to set to the toggle mode. Okay, now it's set. So I am pressing the button A to turn on the load. Okay, and I am using the same button to turn off the load. Okay, this is the way the toggle mode works, and now let's reset it. Okay, now let's set it to the latching mode. I am pressing the button thrice. Okay, in this mode, when we press the button A, the load will be on, and we have to press the button B in order to turn off the load. Okay, this is the latching mode. And this is a good remote control for home automation, and this is very easy to assemble. So I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching. See you on next video. Thank you.